The dedicated hard work of the trees supplemented by the initiative is over more than 550 students. It is also
Hi, I'm Usha, Program Manager with Ashra. Ashra Activities Multimedia and Animation Training came into existence in the year 2010.
Because of my delay, and I sincerely apologize for that, is the job which was done by his team. So actually the efforts at times don't get recognized, but the most difficult job is the people who have made this possible.
MMA program and honor their resilience and dedication which enabled them to take upon this life-changing journey successfully.
Years. So, as I'm associated with this project and with
now he is
to see what Mr. Babu is doing, and I think these are occasions which remind us to count our blessings.
Independent and financially stable. Ashra Equity joined hands with HSBC in the year 2017. This paper hearing in Bedroom and is a completely residential program. Till now, we have placed 550 candidates in various multimedia and animation companies. Apart from the domain classes, we are also training them in soft skills, financial management, personality development, work readiness, communication skills, and also offering counseling sessions.
Hello, I am Rajkumar. I am working as a technical faculty in various software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, CorelDRAW, Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Boris Silhouette. Our course curriculum is divided into 3 segments, which are graphic design, motion graphics and film editing, visual effects. We adhere to a timetable consisting of 1-hour theory classes followed by 2-hour practical sessions. In addition to classroom training, assessments serve to evaluate students' learning skills and
Honestly, we were a little apprehensive as to how we could point them, but we wanted to give it a shot because it's very nice to hear and talk about inclusivity, but I think to really adopt it in our workplace is a great thing to do, and that's what the management of Ravindra Bharati has done. We've taken a big step. Yes, initially there were eyebrows raised as to whether this is really going to work. But I think the team out here has been very empathetic, they've been very supportive, and Malik has also adopted and adapted well to the environment. We've also tried our best to make the environment very comfortable for him. And he's learning, and it's been great learning for us as well. And I think as a team we've become very empathetic and
Hi everybody, good afternoon. My name is Abdul Malik Tawar. I'm from Maharashtra and I finished all my studies in Maharashtra, intermediate, everything in Maharashtra. I was thinking what to do after finishing my intermediate. So I got a call from Ashray Akruti regarding multimedia and animation training. I came from Maharashtra and I joined here. I consulted my teacher what to do, and she suggested me to join this multimedia and animation training in Hyderabad at Ashray Akruti. I came and I had a look. So all the team in MMA, they helped me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much because I finished my training here at MMA. So friends, they shared MMA pamphlet with me, so I came and I joined here. So my father works as an auto driver. I belong to a rural area in Maharashtra, Tigras. So I learned and I improved my skills at MMA in Ashray Akruti. So I'm very happy. Actually, Malik has joined as a graphic designer in Ravindra Bharati schools, as you have seen in the impact video. So he's earning around 20,000 per month as a graphic designer. Thank you so much, everyone. He's sharing his experience. He's telling that hard work is really necessary. You have to work hard to achieve your goal. Thank you so much, everyone.
They will learn to work for themselves and be independent. లేదంటే ఏమవుతుందంటే గవర్నమెంట్ ఇచ్చేటువంటి ఈ
Yeah, please. You have to guess what he's signing. You're silent.
నేను అవినాష్ మర్చిపోయినట్టున్నారు మీరు మళ్ళీ ఎక్కడ? ఓకే 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 ఎక్కడున్నారు ఇప్పుడు? హలో, కానీ సౌండ్ వస్తుంది ఇదేంటి? అర్థం కావట్లేదు మీరు ఏమంటారు.